महिलाएं हमेशा से ही देश की शान रही हैं, चाहे बात देश की आन की हो या शान की हो। भारतीय महिलाएं हमेशा से ही आगे रही हैं, जिसका एक जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल रीटा गंगवानी के रूप में हमारे सामने है। रीटा जी, जो कि इंडियन आर्मी में लेफ्टिनेंट के पद पर देश को अपनी सेवाएं दे चुकी हैं, वही आर्मी के बाद भी रीटा ने आर्मी डिसिप्लिन को लोगों में बढ़ाने के लिए कंसल्टेंट एंड ट्रेनर ऑफ एटिकेट एकेडमी शुरू की। वही रीटा गंगवानी आज के कामयाब टैरोट कार्ड रीडर भी हैं। उम्र के हर पड़ाव पर रीटा ने खुद को एक नए क्षेत्र और नए मुकाम के साथ स्थापित किया है। रीटा गंगवानी ने अपने करियर की शुरुआत छोटी सी उम्र में की थी, जहां उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी की पहली सीडी इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन करके की।
My professional life, I would say it started when I joined the army, and it was very tough for me because I'm very short at height. And when I was in school, everybody used to laugh at me, and they used to think that I'll never be able to do anything in my life. And as I grew older, everybody grew taller, and I remained where I was. So it became quite a challenge for me to fight in that world, because I feel taller people, even today, have a better they have some kind of an edge over the people who are short at height. So just to prove to the people that short people can actually do wonders, as they say, good things come in small packages, I sat for a competitive exam. I came out as my commission in 1980, and I served in the army for almost 6 to 8 years. What got me into army was, one, the challenge. I wanted to prove the world that small people or short people can do wonders. And two, when I was very small, I had seen a film called Upkar, where they had shown an army hospital, an army camp, and how Manoj Kumar was such a dedicated soldier. It was tough, very, very tough, because there was no difference between a lady and a gentleman in the army. We as girls are trained as hard as men. So it was, you can say, a fantasy for a girl to be in the army, a challenge to prove myself, and also maybe a dream, to wear a uniform and get respected in spite of my height. So that was a challenge, and that's how I got in. 8 years I got married, and I got married to a civilian. So it was difficult for me to change base every 2 years. So I took voluntary retirement from the army, and following that I started my own career. I studied quite a bit, because at that time when I left the army, I had a blueprint in my mind what I want to do in my life. What happened was that in the army we have a subject called OLQ, that is Officers Like Quality, where they teach us how to stand, how to sit, all the P's and Q's. So I picked up a Q from there, and I decided that once I get into the civil world, this is what I will want to pursue. So I cannot just pursue without any qualifications behind me for this. So after I left the army, I went to a Swiss Indian finishing school, got a degree from them, how to teach people, how to groom people, polish people, and from them I started on my own. I started at a very, very low rate, because when I started in early 80s, people were not interested in personality development. People thought, what is personality development? Everybody has a personality, so just wear good clothes, speak well, that is all what matters. But now people are more aware. People are understanding that image matters a lot. So in the initial stage, I took a lot of free classes, I took a lot of complimentary classes, just to make people aware. And slowly I grew, and today, as you see the scenario, everybody is wanting to get polished, everybody wants to put their best foot forward. So that's how I have grown over the years.
रीटा हमेशा से ही हेल्दी लिविंग में भरोसा रखती हैं, जिसमें कि रीटा का हर दिन की शुरुआत योगा से होती है। वहीं सेल्फ मेड विमेन हनी के बाद भी रीटा पूजा पाठ में काफी विश्वास रखती हैं, जहां उनके दिन की शुरुआत ही पूजा से होती है। रीटा गंगवानी 21वीं सदी की वो लड़की हैं जो सिर्फ आज में बिलीव करती हैं। उम्र के इस पड़ाव में भी वो अपनी जिंदगी के हर एक पल को खुशी और जिंदा दिली से जीती हैं, जो उनके चेहरे पर खूब दिखता है। इस तरह के कई इंसान न कभी रुकते हैं और न ही थकते हैं। वो आज भी हर पल कुछ नया करना चाहती हैं, जिससे कि वो खुद को बदलते समय के साथ बदल सकें।
As a person, I'm a very, very patient person. I'm a person who believes that there is a reason in everything what happens in life. A person who's very passionate about life. I love to live every moment of my life. So the thing is that even if I'm sitting idle, there's something or the other going on in my mind. So I just love life. That's what I am.
रीटा गंगवानी, जिन्होंने न सिर्फ खुद को आगे बढ़ाया है बल्कि कई लोगों की जिंदगी को भी बदला है। रीटा आज खुद अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक रोल मॉडल हैं, जो उन्हें लाइफ के हर मोड़ पर उन्हें इंस्पायर करती हैं।
I used to see a common man turn into something very, very graceful. Somebody who couldn't speak, somebody who was very shy, able to speak better, somebody who could handle a lot of stressful situations in life. And even now, so many years later, so many of my students come forward, or they are connected with me and they come and touch my feet and they say, "Ma'am, it was because of you that you changed my life." So I feel wonderful. I don't say that I'm like a god, but yes, I feel great that I could touch somebody's life and change it, instill confidence into someone. So it's a great feeling and it inspires me to do all the more better. And I actually look around for people who need my help, and I voluntary or involuntary, I'm always there trying to help people and trying to put some confidence into them so that they can do better in their lives. A memorable moment for me was when my students, they just wanted to give me a treat and they took me out, and when I was there, they suddenly came out with a crown and they put it on my head and they said, "You're the most beautiful person on this earth." So it was a very touching moment and a beautiful moment, and I would always cherish those memories with me.
लेकिन रीटा का ये पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और हार्ड वर्क ने उन्हें अपने सपनों में रंग भरने में काफी मदद की, जो वो हमेशा से करना चाहती थी। उनके इस एटीट्यूड ने ही उनकी कमजोरी को उनकी ताकत में बदल दिया।
Everyone starts small, and she also started very small. But it's actually, there's this one story really. That there were two mice in a bucket, and one of them just drowned and he died, but the other one kept working, and then he churned the milk into butter and then he came out. So my mom's like that, initially she started small, and then she worked her way on top. A lot of people would have given up because it's a very difficult industry to get into, but she definitely made it there, and she's put a mark in the industry for herself. So that's what I think about her profession.
रीटा ने जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर एक नया रोल निभाया है। कभी वो एक अच्छी माँ, सपोर्टिव वाइफ, और कभी वो एक परफेक्ट प्रोफेशनलिस्ट के रूप में दिखी, जिनमें औरत होते हुए भी एक सशक्त नारी का जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल मिलता है।
It is difficult for a lady, let me be very frank, to create a work-life balance, because for a lady, her family is also a priority and her work is also a priority. She needs to prove in different areas. My family was already, my maternal family was already used to my working, and so there was not much of a problem from that side. But once I got married, I had a tough time because my in-laws were old and it was difficult for me to balance. But I learned, like everybody else, I have learned to create a balance between my work and my profession. So now what I do, I have created a teamwork in the house. Everybody has their own part to do. And when we all work together, I think then it becomes much easier for a working lady to balance. So now things are hunky-dory, things are in place.
She's been an excellent wife, an excellent mother, a very loving person as such. She started her profession quite late life, when she was in army to begin with, and after marriage she looked after the kids till the kids really grew up, and after only the kids grew up, she thought in terms of her career, and she started on a small level, and she's grown to a very big level, and she's also really a self-made person who has done everything on her own.
My mom is it's very hard to put my mom in one sentence, because she's got so many different things she does, and she's obviously very good at them, which is why she's so good and so famous. But if I had to put my mom in one sentence, I would say that she's definitely the best mom in the world. I've actually learnt a lot from her profession. I've always kept a keen interest in psychology, and since body language and personality development have always been very related to psychology. So in a way, they have sort of helped me grow as a person, as an individual, and have taught me how to conduct myself in public.
आजा रे ओ मेरे दिलबर आजा, दिल की प्यास बुझा जा रे। ओ आजा रे ओ मेरे दिलबर आजा, दिल की प्यास बुझा जा रे। ओ आजा रे।
रीटा गंगवानी आज सभी के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल हैं जो उनमें जीत का विश्वास जगाती हैं, जो आज देश के एक एक स्टूडेंट के लिए इंस्पिरेशन है, खासकर लड़कियों के लिए, क्योंकि रीटा गंगवानी हिमाचल प्रदेश से पहली महिला रही जिन्होंने इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन की, जिनका शुरू किया हुआ सफर आज एक सफल मंजिल पर आ पहुंचा है।
Well, to start from the very first was somewhere in 1982, when again, as I said, I had a dream to be a beauty queen. And in those days, height didn't matter. What mattered was the brain. So in 1982, I was crowned as Miss Himachal. Then I joined the army, and when I joined the army, again, for me, it was a challenge to prove myself. So I did prove. I stood first in my first year, second year, third year. So towards the third year, I received All India President, Gold Medal President from the President of India. Then I received the Best Cadet Trophy from Air Force Station Jalali. So I'm very thankful to God and very thankful to the people who have recognized my achievements. And these awards maybe could be just a booster for me to, put in my 100% all the more. But I'm very happy that, that people have recognized whatever I have done in my life.
रीटा ने कभी जिंदगी की मुश्किलों के आगे हार मानना नहीं सीखा, जिसके चलते आज उन्होंने कामयाबी के जिस शिखर को छुआ है, उनके आगे जीवन की हर ऊंचाई छोटी लगती है। रीटा गंगवानी, जिनकी हंसी और जीने का अंदाज ही लोगों में जीने की चाह पैदा कर देता है, वहीं ये मैसेज भी देती हैं कि जिंदगी की राह इतनी आसान नहीं होती, जहां लोगों को जिंदगी में आने वाली प्रॉब्लम्स का डट कर सामना करना चाहिए और जिंदगी को हर मोड़ पर आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए।
The one thing which I want there to be in every human being is the feeling that he is special. You see, unfortunately, we being humans, we start comparing ourselves to the others. We feel the other person is better than me. वो लंबा है, better है, उसका घर मेरे से better है. The thing is that we should realize that everybody is different in this world. Even twins are not alike. Everybody is absolutely different. We are born with different personalities, different gifts. So what we need to understand is to focus on our own selves, अपने अंदर झांकी, and try to discover what is good in you. The day you realize that you are different, and when you are different, you would realize you are a designer piece God has made. So when you are a designer piece, it's your right to lead a designer life. So create your own life according to what you want. You see, look at me. As I was telling you, I'm just 4 feet 10 inches. I had a desire to be a film star. I had the desire to be an air hostess. I had a desire to be a beauty queen. But okay, I could may not have been there, but I'm still there. I'm still living my dreams. I'm training film stars. I'm training beauty queens. I'm training models. So I'm living my dream. So what I'm trying to tell people is that the day you realize that you have it in you, you can achieve anything in life. And there's a beautiful saying in Hindi. It says, "हौसले बुलंद कर, रास्ते पे चल दे। हौसले बुलंद कर, रास्ते पे चल दे, तुझे तेरा मुकाम मिल ही जाएगा। तू अकेला ही पहल कर, काफिला खुद ब खुद बन जाएगा." So the thing is, if you have it in you, you start moving towards your dream, the world will follow. And that's what has happened with me. I'm a living example for that.
रीटा गंगवानी, जो आज एक चमकता सितारा हैं, जो खुद तो चमक ही रही हैं, वहीं दूसरों की जिंदगी रोशन कर रही हैं। उनकी एक एक बात और सलाह लोगों को मोटिवेट करती है और जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर एक नए जायके के साथ जीने का अंदाज देती है।